check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm opening a top, historic tops. Hopefully look for the real autographs and relics. Because not so real, it's not that good. I like how they come in these kind of things. I don't see nothing, no relics or anything, so. I like how it comes in these kind of packs. They have one, 5 or 6 packs open, or one's by Will Smith. Got two Will Smith, a catcher, and got the catcher, and then there's the pitcher, Will Smith. I think he played with the Giants for a while. The pitcher. And Rick Lawrence, we got an action card. Rose Kristen. Sean Murray. Next. Albert Chapman. He's not doing so good, I heard. Didn't have a save or anything. John. Got John and Jack McGee. Got a bunch of rookies. 21 rookies, outfielders. McCain. Rookie bench. Right there, players. Too bad with the Dodgers, with the Giants or the Red Sox still. And sort of miss better weather, I guess. Kenny. Colin Smith. Ooh, maybe something. Oh, but Trickery. Oh, that'd be something. Oh, Trickery top secret. Then now. Deanna Evans. Who was this player during his time? No. Griffin's Jacks. Okay. Yeah, just look. Got Diet Moore. Hawkins. So this for the video. Like and subscribe if you know anything. Maybe better next time. Thanks for watching.